Oh, do you mind if she eats?
Hi! No, they're clean.
You're just eating people's toys. You didn't even.
Hi.
Here's one.
She gonna be aggressive,
Hi.
I believe.
Here. All right, wait, let's hook it up so
I
you can
think I can
share.
get out of the way here, Rich.
Show her how to talk in the end. That's it. Be nice one. Although she's never really played with anyone before.
Hi.
Oh, she's like, I don't really know what to do here.
What?
Oh, no.
Well, too many strange people, Mommy.
She was laughing a second ago. It's okay. Let's meet a monkey.
Lauren.
Oh. She was making noises you didn't know how to do. Now she's smiling.
Yeah.
Hi. You want to show your beads? Show her your teeth.
Say hi. I love you. Yeah.
Oh, say
She
hi.
knows what the camera is too,
I like
doesn't
come on. Is it not needed? Is it not
No, I got it on auto. You don't need it.
Ready to sit back down?
She don't make any effort to crawl in there. Look.
No, she's not interested in going at all.
Oh,
Casey.
she either rolls to where she wants to
That's the
be.
way she does.
She will flip. She will be across the room in 60 seconds just by rolling. She doesn't really.
Come on, kid, let's go to the next.
She's probably not. Get up and run. Yeah. She loves her walker though because she just zips all over the house like that. Okay, now you want to sit down here? You're feeling comfortable enough?
Let's try it again.
Let's try it again.
Let's try again. Casey.